So every state we can divide into two parts, urban and rural. Often it happens that rural people, they are economically sound, but on the contrary, the urban people, they are still striving. They are not fulfilling their monthly whatever the requirements they cannot fulfill. But in the rural areas, fishery department, animal husbandry, farming or agriculture, they can manage and economically they are sound. But often we think that urban areas, urban people, they are economically sound. It is not the truth. Often it happens, it differs, urban and rural. So guys, question number 2, you write, what are rural poverty and urban poverty? Often it happens that rural areas people are sound, people are rich, and in urban areas people are striving, they are poor, they are struggling. So I repeat the question, what are rural poverty and urban poverty? Question mark. Answer. It has been noticed in India. It has been noticed in India, especially Haryana and Punjab. Haryana and Punjab are the states, those are much developed. Those are much developed in rural areas. In rural areas rather than urban areas. Full stop. Urban economy, URBAN, urban economy, as these states are farming based states or high-tech agriculture has made them economically sound. Whereas, after full stop, whereas some northeast states, some northeast, N capital, E capital, northeast states, West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka have the urban poverty is declined. Urban poverty is declined. See this line, you notice these all states, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, have the urban poverty is declined. What is the meaning of urban poverty is declined? That means urban areas poverty has been declined here. Previously West Bengal, it was also striving against poverty and BPL cards were distributed most of the population of West Bengal. But it is good that now West Bengal could establish itself economically sound, and the situation, that means the economic condition or situation, that is far better than the previous state. So these are the states, they have the urban poverty is declined. Okay, then question number 3. What is global poverty level, or what is global poverty level or its state, You write what is global poverty level or its status, you write. not state, you write or its status. It will be suitable or its status. Now answer. Note down the answer. In developing countries, the proportion of people in developing countries, the proportion of people living in extreme economic poverty has fallen. Economic poverty has fallen from 28% in 1990. That means survey says 28% in 1990 to 20% 90 to 20%. That means previously it was 28% poverty. Now in 1990 it has been noticed, it has been risen to 20%. Full stop. As a result of rapid economic growth, you know very well the economic growth, it has taken place quite rapid, that means in a rapid manner all over the world. So as a result of rapid economic growth and massive investment, suppose some countries they want loan, so they can take loan from economically sound country with interest, and there should be a specific time, and within the specific time this country it will repay the loan. And if this country feels that it can repay the loan, then he should, or this country should take loan. So that is why it is written that as a result of rapid economic growth and massive investment in human resource development, within bracket HRD. In short we say HRD, human resource development. Investment in human resource development, within bracket HRD, capital H, capital R, capital D, bracket close. Poverty has declined significantly in China. Guys, you should know that previously, only few years back, China had an intense poverty because China is a communist country and they believe in socialism. So the output of socialism means whatever the national wealth, it should be divided equally. That is why China had to face an intense economic crisis only few years back. But now China, you can say that China has captured the global market nowadays, and you know that very well. So poverty has declined significantly in China and Southeast Asian countries. As what are the Southeast Asian countries? India also. India, Myanmar, Indonesia, etc. Full stop. But on the other side, poverty is still stable. That means they could not improve, they could not emphasize the economic level. But on the other side, poverty is still stable in Latin America, means South America, Latin America and Africa. I discussed with you also, often I have discussed about Africa. It is a poor country. Africa, due to lack of skilled manpower or human resource. That is why, those countries are still undeveloped.